Let's continue our look at the Rio Grande River and the surrounding hills and valley. Let's hope the rain stays away on this overcast early morning. Big River was the name given by the Spanish to this river, as they were the first European to set foot on these shores between the 15th and the 16th centuries. Flow through a rainforest that is a part of the Blue and Jonco mountain range. The area is rich in bird life and wild pigs, with deers are starting to appear all over these valleys. Like all large rivers, this river is joined by many others. The Guava River, the Back River, the Sandy River, all link up with the Rio as she exits the valley and flows to the sea between Snow Hill and St. Margaret's Bay. Watch out for the guy jumping off the raft. There's a cool breeze flowing down the mountain, entering the valley where we are. Let's continue downstream.